In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Smartsheet logo. If you're looking to personalize your Smartsheet workspace or infuse a bit of your organization's branding into the platform, you've come to the right place. This process is quite straightforward, but paying attention to the details can truly make your workspace feel more like your own. Let's dive in. First off, locate your profile picture in the lower left corner of your Smartsheet interface. Clicking on your profile picture is your gateway into the area where you'll be able to start customizing various elements of your Smartsheet experience. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, you have a couple of options. If your Smartsheet interface shows an option labeled as Account or maybe Personal Account, select that. This will guide you into the heart of your personal settings. From here, you need to navigate towards Personal Colors and Logo. In some Smartsheet setups, this might be labeled slightly differently, possibly as Branding and Personalization. Regardless of what it might precisely be called, this section is your destination for making visual adjustments to your Smartsheet. This section is where you can personalize your settings by adding your own unique touch to the appearance of your workspace. Now we're at the exciting part, the actual branding. You'll find options to upload your own logo here. Find your company logo or your chosen image to add that personal flair to your Smartsheet. Ensure that the image you select is appropriate and fits well within the provided specifications, as these will ensure the best presentation quality on your interface. Alongside uploading your logo, you will also spot choices to select your desired color theme, which could encompass taskbar and background colors. Here, think about color schemes that align well with your logo for a harmonious visual experience. Choosing a theme that complements your logo can create a more cohesive and aesthetically pleasing look. Options to adjust colors might vary slightly based on different account types, but don't worry. The process generally remains intuitive. Making these changes can have a surprisingly positive impact, not just from a visual standpoint, but also in how aligned you feel with your workspace. Once you've made your selections, check out your newly branded Smartsheet. Verify that the changes reflect your intentions accurately. If adjustments are needed, simply go back and tweak accordingly until it feels just right. With these steps, you've just added a bit of personality and professionalism to your Smartsheet workspace. That's all there is to it. By following these instructions, you're set to transform the look and feel of your Smartsheet. Enjoy customizing, and thank you for watching.